Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 9th, chapter 8 quadrilateral. Exercise 8.2, question number 2. 8.2, question number 2. ABCD is a rhombus. Given ABCD is a rhombus. What is given? ABCD is rhombus. PQRS are the midpoint of the sides ABCC. PQRS are midpoint. To prove quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. You want to prove PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle you want to prove. So first you draw ABCD is a rhombus. Rhombus means all the sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. A, B, C, D. Here is the midpoint P, Q, R, S. Line joining the PQRS it is your PQRS. You want to prove it is a rectangle. Very simply proof. Construction. Join AC and BD intersect at O. AC and BD intersect at O, you want to join it. Other things are given. Proof. Because P in triangle ABC, P and Q are midpoint. So PQ parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half AC. It is the first by midpoint theorem. Line joining the midpoint of two sides parallel to third side and half of it. In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is similarly SR is parallel to AC and SR is equal to half AC. By first and second, you are getting PQ is equal to SR and PQ is parallel to SR. First and second, PQ parallel AC, SR parallel AC means PQ parallel to SR. PQ is half AC, SR is half AC. SR are also same process you are getting. So quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram because one pair of opposite side parallel, equal and parallel. So quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. When it is a parallelogram, then you prove it is a rectangle. Now PMON, this you see, POMN, it is 90 degree given. In quadrilateral PMON, PM is parallel to ON. PM is parallel to ON by first part of parallel line. PM means PM is a part of APQ and ON is the part of AC. AC parallel to PQ given. So this part is parallel to this part. Similarly, PN is parallel to OM. Same process. SP parallel to BD. Therefore, quadrilateral PMON is a parallelogram. Both the pairs are parallel. When it is a parallelogram, then angle P is equal to angle MON. Why? Opposite angle of parallelogram. Opposite angle of parallelograms are equal. So, angle P is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because diagonals bisect at 90 degree in the rhombus. It is a rhombus ABCD. AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree. So, parallelogram PQRS is a rectangle. Why it is a rectangle? One angle of parallelogram is 90. One angle of parallelogram 90 degree. Then rectangle. Hence proved. It is your question number 2 is over. Now we will see the question number 3. It is given, in the question number 3 it is given, ABCD is a rectangle. Just converse of this. ABCD is a rectangle. You want to prove what is given in your question number 3. ABCD is a rectangle. In this rectangle, you want to prove line joining midpoint of sides, PQRS midpoint, quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus. Just converse of it. You want to prove. This is the question number 3. Converse of the question number 2. ABCD rectangle, PQRS midpoint, mid of sides. To prove PQRS is rhombus. So you want to draw, you draw it, rectangle. Rectangle you have drawn. ABCD is a rectangle. You want to prove it is a rhombus. A, B, C, D. P, Q, R, S. Join this. You want to prove it is a rectangle. How? Rhombus. You will see that construction join AC. Only you join AC. Proof. In triangle ABC, P and Q midpoints. Therefore, AC is parallel, PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half AC. Simply you prove the, first you prove parallelogram. It is by midpoint theorem. First one. In triangle ADC, similarly, in triangle ADC, SR is parallel to AC and SR is equal to half AC. It is the equation second. Same process, midpoint theorem. By first and second, PQ parallel to SR and PQ is equal to SR. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Reason: one pair parallel and equal. One pair of opposite sides parallel and equal. Then quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now parallelogram adjacent angle sides equal, then it is a rhombus. In triangle APS and triangle PBQ, APS and APS BPQ, BPQ, APS and BPQ, what will you get? Angle A equal to angle B 90 degree given. AP is equal to PB because P is midpoint. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. Half equals are equal. AS is equal to BQ. Half of AD is equal to half of BC. AD is equal to BC. That's why P, S and Q are also midpoint, so half will be equal. So here you are seeing by SAS congruency, triangle APS congruent to triangle BPQ. So PQ is equal to PS by CPCT. PQ is equal to PS by CPCT. Adjacent sides are equal. So parallelogram PQRS is a rhombus. PQRS. Why it is rhombus? Adjacent side of parallelogram are equal. Adjacent sides of parallelogram equal. Parallelogram equal, but here rectangle. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. Then it is a rhombus, and hence easily you can prove it. Very simple. So it is a proof. You have seen 2 questions, second and third, and next lecture I will tell you the rest part.